The XD is a small city car with a difference. It's electric. The vehicle was created by Docking, a company based in the Croatian capital Zagreb. Docking is known for its high-tech products, with some of its designs used by the US Army, but now they're looking into electric cars and they're on the hunt for investors to back their product. Vjokoslav Majetic is the company's owner.
Clearly, for a long time, we did not have the means, knowledge or opportunity to make such a thing. But now I realised we have the know-how and the opportunity. We want to do this, and we can do it. It took us a relatively short time, some 7 months.
The car can reach speeds of up to 135 kilometres, around 84 miles an hour. The unique battery design allows the vehicle to be driven for several days without needing to be charged. Tomislav Bosko is the project manager.
Recharging it at home on a normal household electricity charge takes 6 to 8 hours. That's the limitation, if you want to put it that way. But we're also developing fast chargers, which should be able to do it in an hour.
But the XD won't be cheap. The initial costs are around €30,000 or $40,000 US.
The complete battery for this car at the moment is very substantial and costs almost €10,000, which automatically defines the high price of the car at this point.
But once more of them are on the road, Docking expect it to cost much less. The hunt for a financial backer continues, but in the meantime, some of the funds may come from the country's Environment Ministry, an initial driving force behind the project. Basma Fahim, Reuters.